Hey, it's the Ultimate Handyman. Today I want to show you a super simple, easy way to install a vessel sink on top of a countertop. This is going to save you a lot of time and a lot of effort, so let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to mark the center line of our sink, and this line is going to be centered with the center hole where the faucet will be installed. Next, we're going to measure the front edge of the sink to the countertop and make sure that those measurements are exactly the same so that it's all parallel and everything lines up nice and straight. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take some green frog tape and we're going to put 2 layers around the perimeter of the vessel sink. So next we're going to take a bunch of little wooden blocks. These are just some scrap pieces of wood I had laying around, and we're going to glue them all along the perimeter of the sink. You're going to do that on the back, front, the sides of the sink, and the corners. And that is going to lock the sink in place so it cannot move. So I'm using the Instant Bond brand super glue. I picked this up at Lowe's. They also have it on Amazon, and it comes with the activator as well. So all you need to glue the box down is 2 little drops of super glue on the tape. Now we're going to take our activator and spray it on a piece of wood. Then we're going to press that into the super glue. And once this stuff dries, it will not move. Alright, so the next step is to remove the sink and prepare it to be glued down to the countertop surface. So for this job, I like using the Loctite Power Grab Ultimate. You can use pretty much any adhesive that you're comfortable using or that you're used to. It doesn't really matter as long as it glues that sink to the countertop. Mine was a little bit cold that day, so it didn't come out of the tube too quick. So now it's time to put the sink back onto the vanity top. We're just going to give it a few firm presses to set it in place onto the glue. And these blocks really make it easy. You don't have to recheck your measurements. You know it's set in the right position. Since I put this sink over an existing opening of an old sink, I put some adhesive on the bottom side and I just smoothed it out with my thumb. Just give it some more surface area for that glue to bond it to the countertop. Once the adhesive is cured enough to where the sink will not move, you can remove the wooden blocks. You're just going to take a pair of channel lock pliers and grab the block and give it a little twist. Now's the time to remove the tape as well. So for this project, I'm using a white silicone. This is just the GE brand, Kitchen and Bath Projects. It's a good silicone to use, but use whatever matches your application and color. I recommend using a silicone caulking tool. It's going to give you nice, even caulking lines, and it's going to give you that machined look. So once everything has dried, you can install your faucet and your drain, and your sink is done. Now, if you have any questions about what I did in the video, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I will get back to you as soon as I can with an answer. And if you could do me a huge favor, can you please like, share, and subscribe, and also ring that notification bell so you can see more of my how-to content. I've got a lot of videos in the works, and I hope you come back to check those out. And before you leave, check out some of my other videos right here.